So I have someone who gets up, but only can safely get up and move with some guidance and potentially some physical assistance. So she's in the chair. I'm going to greet and say, it's about time to get in the bed. Okay? I want you to lean forward. There you go. And we're going to scoot to the front. Okay, so lean and scoot. There you go, good. Notice that I didn't ask her to stand up from the back of the chair. That requires a lot more skill and strength. I help her move to the front of the chair so it's a forward and then up versus coming up at a diagonal. So now that she's here, we make sure the feet are going to be in a good place. In this case, I want them out a tiny bit more, because if she's that far back, she may fall back into the chair when she goes to stand. Now the tricky part here is I have to get her to lean enough to get her weight through her feet. And I want her to activate her back, so I'm going to have her lean forward and look up. As she looks up, she elongates her spine. She gets herself ready. And on 3. 1, 2, and 3. Up you come. There you go. You got it. You got it. Now notice, I have a hand in front of the shoulder and at the hip. That's allowing me to control both this body part and this body part. She's not tipping forward. She's not tipping back. And then I have a third point of contact at the knee. My foot is out in front. She's really stable. And now I'm going to say stand up. And this is where I'm going to help. There you go, up tall, good. This part is really important. If she's been sitting for a while, making sure she's lined up, because walking like this requires a tremendous amount of energy and increases the risk of a fall. So I want her up tall. I could stroke her back, I can ask her to breathe, I could ask her to look up, I could ask her to stand tall, but we want to get to this place before we start moving. So now she's ready to go.